Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to reset setting in your Epson L810. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases your Epson L810 printer have some changes or not printing properly or etc. So you want to reset the setup. For that, in your computer, in your printer, you will see there is a monitor. Just simply you can choose like this and it will take you to the setting. Simply go on setting and then click here OK, and then it will give you option to reset default setting. Just scroll like this down and you will find here restore default setting. Just choose that. You can see I choose that restore default setting, and then simply click here OK, and it will give you option to are you sure or not. Obviously I'm going to choose yes, and then again I'm going to click here OK to reset. You can see this device saying default restore, so that means from now this device is come as like factory setup. So this is how you can reset default in your Epson L810. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.